Hello fans, welcome to Susie Farms, where we share amazing gardening tips. Here we share information on how to grow okra, which is the most versatile superfood that goes from seed to plate in just 60 days. Kindly like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to keep up with updates. Okra is a surprisingly attractive crop to grow for a quick cropping harvest that adds body and flavor to soups, stews and more. As long as you live in a climate that has good summers, it's easy to grow okra from seed. Okra is ideal for beginner growers, and is one of the best crops for enduring hot summers. It thrives in heat when other crops struggle. Your biggest job with okra is keeping up with the harvests before the bountiful pods get too large and tough to be enjoyed. You can sow okra seeds straight from the packet, but to improve the seed germination rate, first soak them in water for a few hours. I usually soak them for 5 hours before planting. Rake your soil to a fine tilth before planting your seeds. Okra does well in poor soil, even with lots of clay provided it drains. Add compost or organic fertilizer to prepare the area before planting and again mid-season for a boost. Sow the seeds about half an inch, 1.2 centimeters, deep in rows of about 30 inches, 75 centimeters, apart. Okra can grow as high as 6 feet, 1.8 meters, so put in support at the planting stage. There are some fantastic vegetable garden trellis ideas to help maximize your home harvest. Once the seedlings have reached about 3 inches, 7.5 centimeters, tall, thin them to 30 inches, 75 centimeters, apart. To do this, select the weaker seedlings and cut them off at the base. Okra needs plenty of water, so make sure to give it a good soaking once a week, especially if you're growing it in soil that doesn't hold moisture well. However, avoid overwatering okra, as this could cause root rot. Look out for the lower part of the seedling turning black. Remove laterals from the plant as they bear little fruit, shade the main stem, and make the care routine more complicated. The plant stem is covered with tiny spines that can cause irritation, so wear clothes with long sleeves and gloves when caring for the plant. It takes about 60 days for okra plants to reach maturity, at which point you can begin to harvest the pods. We hope you are enjoying these tips for growing okra. Share your own opinion in the comment section below. Kindly like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to keep up with updates as we dive deeper. When to grow okra. The key to learning how to grow okra from seed is to time it correctly, and not to start them off too early. Okra is a hot weather crop, meaning it prefers warm soil and lots of sun. For warm climates, start okra seeds in the spring when temperatures are consistently around 60 degrees Fahrenheit 15 degrees Celsius both day and night. For colder climates and shorter seasons, seeds should be started indoors about a month before your zone's last frost date and transplanted outdoors when temperatures are consistently above 60 degrees Fahrenheit 15 degrees Celsius. If your local summers aren't reliably warm, then it's best to grow okra in a greenhouse. Growing okra in containers. Okra makes a good addition to your vegetable garden container ideas, and this is often a necessity if you are growing the plant in a greenhouse. Okra features a taproot system, so its main root grows deep into the soil. Therefore, make sure to choose a narrow, deep container. Place a layer of drainage material at the bottom and while watering, soak the soil all the way down but avoid overwatering and waterlogging. You must also avoid damaging the ball of soil when potting the plant. Container size is key to the success of growing okra in containers. Okra is a hungry plant whose growth is easily restricted by pot size. Okra plants need large containers and a steady flow of nutrients. The variety of okra you choose will also make a difference to the crop's success. Look for a dwarf variety that doesn't grow above 5 feet tall. You will also want to make sure that you supplement your soil with compost or aged manure to ensure adequate nutrition for the plant. When to harvest okra. An important part of knowing how to grow okra is to harvest it at the right time to capture the best flavor of the pods. The fruiting season starts 2 months after planting and lasts until the frosts begin. How to harvest okra. Use a knife to cut off fruits when they become deep green. Overripe fruits aren't edible. In general, you're looking for them to be tender and measure 2 to 5 inches long. If you can give okra the right growing conditions and pick it as soon as it is ready, you should find you have a bumper harvest. The more okra pods you pick, the more the plant produces. For this reason, you should consistently harvest okra pods throughout the growing season. Sometimes, this means that you are picking just a handful of pods each day, but it is important to pick pods whenever they are ready. Don't wait for a single day to do a big okra harvest or you'll be disappointed with your yields. If you produce more okra than you can use, then freeze it to use for cooking over winter. How to make okra produce more. The best way to make okra to produce more is to pick the plants every 2 to 3 days, as this will encourage new growth. Once it gets really hot in August, pod production will finally slow down. Once this happens, or if you stopped picking weeks back, you can trim back the plants into more of a tall shrub shape, and they will produce a smaller second round. Dealing with pests. Later in the growing season, okra are prone to aphids. If the plant is still producing, then treat them with neem oil and soap spray. If the plants are over, then remove them or use them as sacrificial plants. Old okra plants can be left to serve as aphid hotels, attracting aphid eaters like ladybugs to the garden. They are great trap plants at this stage, drawing the aphids away from other crops. Companion planting. Also consider the benefits of companion planting at the outset of planting a kitchen garden. Companion planting is a method of planting one or more plants together that create a symbiotic relationship that benefits each other. Okra can be companion planted alongside herbs such as chamomile, sage, thyme and dill, as they help to repel insects and other pests. What is the best month to plant okra? The best month to plant okra depends on where you intend to grow it. When growing okra in the open field, plant it in April or May when the night temperatures don't drop below 59 degrees Fahrenheit 15 degrees Celsius. However, in a greenhouse, you can grow okra all year round if you can keep the temperature above 15 degrees Celsius. Which is the best okra variety? Choose from dwarf okra plants that reach around 1.6 feet (0.5 meters) high, and taller varieties, which grow up to 6.6 feet (2 meters). Mind the height of the plant if you're growing it in a greenhouse. Most okra varieties are green, but if green okra pods are too boring for you, then try planting a more vibrant red okra variety. Burgundy or Alabama red are good choices. If you are partial to gumbo, then Cajun Delight is a strong green variety. Alternatively, if you don't want to deal with the pod's tiny spines, then opt for Clemson Spineless, which, as its name suggests, produces spineless pods. Whichever variety you choose, bear in mind that the average family won't likely need to grow more than 10 plants. We hope you do enjoy these tips for growing okra. Share your own opinion in the comment section below. Kindly like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to keep up with updates. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Cheers!